Real estate in Mumbai is infamous for its ever skyrocketing prices. Buying a home in the city of dreams remains a dream for many home buyers. However, would it surprise you if we told you that there are homes in Mumbai which are quite affordable? Reality NXT presents Mumbai's top 5 residential projects priced below rupees 2 crores. At number 1, we have developer Hiranandani Group. The project name is Regent Hill B Wing. The price of the project is rupees 1.45 crores all inclusive. The location of this project is Hiranandani Gardens in Powai. The configuration of this project is 1 BHK at the carpet area of 379 square feet. The status of this project is under construction. The possession of this project is June 2024. They provide lot of amenities with this project, but we are going to list only few amenities for you today. The amenities are Township Clubhouse, Badminton Court, Dr. LH Hiranandani Hospital, Hiranandani Foundation School and many more. The USP of this project is the brand itself is this project's biggest USP. It also boasts of world-class amenities, breathtaking views in the lap of nature, and the promise of a high-end lifestyle at one of the Mumbai's most posh locales. These factors make Regent Hill take the numero uno spot on our list. At number 2, we have developer Kanakya Group. The project name is Kanakya Rainforest. The price is rupees 1.22 crore onwards for 1 BHK and rupees 1.75 crore onwards for 2 BHK. The location of this project is Andheri East, Mumbai. The configuration of this project is 1 BHK is at the carpet area of 442 square feet, 2 BHK is at carpet area of 694 square feet, the 3 BHK is 1032 square feet and 4 BHK is 1233 square feet. The status of this project is ready to move in. There are a lot of amenities for this project, but we are going to list few amenities for you. They provide swimming pool, business lounge, barbecue waiting lounge, spa, skating rink, rain water harvesting, clubhouse, and 24/7 power backup and firefighting system and many more. The USP of this project is inspired by the Amazon rainforest, and apart from its numerous exquisite amenities, it offers an uber luxury life in Mumbai's most peaceful location. At number 3, we have developer Guru Krupa Group. The project name is Marina Enclave. The price is 2 BHK at rupees 1.49 crore and 3 BHK at the rupees of 2 crores. The location of this project is Malad West. The configuration of this project 2 BHK is at the carpet area of 727 square feet and 3 BHK at the carpet area of 890 square feet. The status is ready to move in. They provide lot of amenities, but we are going to list few amenities for you. They provide swimming pool, reflexology pathway, open air amphitheater, multi-purpose court and much more. The USP of this project is they provide spacious homes. All residents will get to enjoy gorgeous creek and pagoda views. At number 4, we have developer Mayfair Housing. The project name is codename SAARA Powai. Price is studio apartments from rupees 64.50 lakhs and 2 BHK at the price of 1.38 crore onwards. The location of this project is Powai Extension. The configuration of studio apartment is at the carpet area of 270 square feet and 2 BHK is 629 square feet. The status of this project is under construction and the possession of this project would be June 2022. They provide lot of amenities for this project, but we are going to list out few amenities for you. They provide party deck, yoga studios, swimming pool, terrace garden with stargazing deck and aerobics area and much more. The USP of this project is that it is Vastu compliant residences and international airport merely is 30 minutes away. At number 5, we have developer Chandak Group. The project name is Nishchay. The price starts from rupees 76 lakhs to rupees 1.26 crores. The location of this project is Borivali East. The configuration of 1 BHK of this project is at the carpet area of 342 square feet and 2 BHK is at the carpet area of 497 square feet. The status of this project is under construction. The possession of this project would be June 2021. They provide a lot of amenities along with this project, but we are going to state few amenities for you. They provide amphitheater, multi-purpose court, multi-purpose lawn, outdoor gym and many more. The USP of this project is they provide 25,000 square feet landscape podium, stellar views, 10 minutes drive from Borivali station. From state-of-the-art amenities to premium finishing and spacious homes to spectacular views, there is no dearth of options for home buyers today in Mumbai. The best part is that buyers are being offered all this and much more by the best real estate developers in prime location across Mumbai with a price tag under rupees 2 crores. Banks too are offering hassle-free home loans at a reasonable interest rates. All these factors combined together make owning a home in the maximum city a cakewalk. For more updates, trends and insights by Reality NXT, do not forget to share, like and subscribe Reality NXT.